You're not going to believe the mind-blowing science experiment you can do by using that object that you use to drink your favorite drink. You know what I'm talking about. It's called a straw. Here's everything that you need for this experiment. A pair of scissors and a straw. You're going to take your straw and flatten one end. It's very important you make it as flat as possible. You can use your teeth to help you out. Just like that. Once you flatten the straw, you got to cut a triangle in the straw by using the scissors. I'm going to place my triangle in the straw. Then I'm going to place it in my mouth and blow through the straw. Listen up for the joyful sounds of science. You like that? It's all about vibrations moving through matter. We call that sound. What happens if I make the straw shorter? So we have it longer now. Shorter, will it sound different? A little higher pitched. Pretty cool. 5 for science. For Hooked on Science, I'm Jason Lindsay.